If you really want to make repairs to a probate property or an inherited property, but you don't want to pay for that out of your separate funds, can you use the money out of the trust or probate account to pay for that? We're going to answer that and many other questions. I'm Ellen Mitchell, your heels on the ground in the Miami-Fort Lauderdale area, and today we're going to get into renovating probate homes. So you'd like to update the probate property that you inherited, but you don't want to use your own funds. Can you use the funds from the estate? Yes, you can, provided that the expenses to upgrade the home don't deplete all of the monies. What do I mean by that? If the home is worth $300,000, and there is $10,000 a month in ongoing expenses that the trust has to pay to keep up with the expenses of the trust, and you've only got $50,000 in the bank, it would not make any sense to upgrade the home because in 5 months, the trust would be out of money. So if the trust has adequate funds, let's say, for example, the trust has $200,000 cash, the expenses of the trust are $5,000 a month. You want to put approximately $50,000 into the property. Upgrading the kitchen, the bathrooms, those are our moneymaker rooms. Kitchen, bathrooms, flooring, paint, and doing some landscaping. And that's going to increase the value of the $300,000 house to $400,000 by putting $50,000 in. Then you're making really good use of those funds. You do have to remember, even if you're the trustee or the personal representative, it is not your money. So you have to make very good use of the funds so that all of the beneficiaries will benefit from it. So if you're putting in $50,000 to get an extra $50,000 out, it really doesn't make sense. You're not improving it for your own personal enjoyment. You're improving it to improve the resale value of the property. You really do want to get professional advice, obviously a professional realtor, but you may want to talk to other professionals. You're going to want to get estimates from that kitchen company, the bathroom, the flooring, the paint. You want to get all of those estimates first so that you can make an educated decision on whether to go ahead with the renovations or not. And remember that if you're out of state and having those renovations made, it's really difficult. I do work with a couple of people who are wonderful and they will oversee all of the renovations for a cost, but you would need to factor that in too, because you're not going to be at the property going and checking every step of the way to make sure that things are progressing on time. So can you do it? Yes, usually you can, but you have to make a decision on whether or not it makes sense. And that's going to be a different decision for every individual based on your personal circumstances. Thank you for joining us today. Please like or subscribe. And if you have any ideas, questions, or comments, please put them in the comment section below. We'd love to hear from you.